Welcome to Village Safari. Today we are going to make the tasty barbecue chicken. For that we need salt and a little bit of turmeric and a little bit of pepper and chili powder, coriander powder. We also take some chicken masala, and finally we will add some barbecue sauce. Also we need curry leaves as well as ginger and garlic. We will crush ginger, garlic and curry leaves, and we will add this paste to our mix. So we will infuse all these things together. We will add our chicken at this stage. We will mix all these together, and it's good to keep this mixture for around 2 hours. We will marinate this and we will keep aside for 2 hours. Now we will prepare for our barbecue. We will light our charcoal, and we'll also place one grill over this charcoal, and we'll place our marinated chicken over the grill. Actually it's a slow process, it will just give some time so that you will get a different taste, the taste of the masalas as well as the taste of the barbecue sauce, and we'll cook for a long time in this temperature. We'll get a good flavor, we'll get a different taste. We'll also apply some oil over this so that we'll get a crunchiness outside. We'll feel the crunchiness outside if you will apply oil more on the surface. And we'll flip it now, and so that we'll get both sides, we'll get the same consistency. This method of cooking took some time, but it's the chicken is very tasty. There's a slow process, always keep the food more tasty. Okay, finally our barbecue chicken is ready, and we'll keep it in the plate. So I recommend everyone to try this, and I hope this video is helpful for all. So if you like this video, please share it, and please subscribe our channel if you need videos like this, and please comment us. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks for subscribing our channel.